For decades, a leading quarry in North East Victoria has powered regional growth with reliable, high-quality aggregates. But as construction demand soared, the quarry faced a turning point: expand operations or risk falling behind. The challenge wasn't just about increasing output. Dust, spillage, and carryback were impacting safety, efficiency, and environmental compliance. Frequent maintenance and spare parts headaches added to the pressure. To tackle these issues, the quarry once again partnered with Kinder for a comprehensive conveyor upgrade, building on the successful installation of critical conveyor solutions in older parts of the plant. New systems like the K-Shore Belt Support, K-Snap-Loc Dust Seal, and Eraser Primary Belt Cleaner were installed to stabilise belts, control dust, and eliminate carryback. K-Conveyor pulleys with rubber diamond groove lagging was installed on the head and tail pulley, enhancing belt traction, reducing slippage, and extending the lifespan of the belt and pulley systems. K-SkirtSupport System was supplied all the way through and allowed K-Containment Seal to be installed and provided continuous support to conveyor skirts on inclines, preventing rollback and fugitive material loss. K-Safeguard V Plough Belt Cleaner clears the debris from the return belt before it reaches the tail pulley, protecting critical components from damage. Conveyor idler frames provide consistent belt support, reducing misalignment, vibration, and wear across the conveyor system. Custom-painted K-AllShelter Conveyor Covers blended into the landscape, reducing visual impact for the community. The results? Cleaner workspaces, improved air quality, and safer operations. Maintenance demands dropped, and the site now runs more efficiently than ever, supporting future growth while protecting the environment. Contact Kinder to learn more.